go. You got it. Go. Ah.
Hey kids, power up your score on Super Mario Brothers and Super Mario Brothers 2. Call the Power Phone for Nintendo players. Get high-scoring tips and find out how you can get a free Super Power Patch. Call 1-900-909-3500. Don't let Zelda down. Call the Power Phone. Dial 1-900-909-3500. Power up your game. Destroy Ganon and get a free Super Power Patch. Call the Power Phone for Nintendo players. Get the secret clues and tips on Punch-Out, Contra, Gauntlet, Kung Fu, Donkey Kong, Double Dragon, and more. Call now, 1-900-909-3500. Just $2 for the first minute, 45 cents each additional minute. Ask Mom or Dad first. The Power Phone is an independent information source not affiliated with Nintendo. Nintendo and Nintendo products are registered trademarks of Nintendo America.
That must have been the bane of all parents. Commercials like that. $2 for the first minute, 20 cents? I don't know, I don't remember. I just saw the commercial, I don't know. After that, and they probably put you on hold while they're looking stuff up, so you're probably spending a lot more. How to play a video game. Screw it. Couldn't find the commercial, but let's see if we can hustle some pool. Okay, before we do this, just go check out the prices real quick, like I like to do. There we go. It was 1982. Atari 2600. This is made by Imagic. So this will set you back 14, 15, 16 bucks. Or what? I don't know. No, I don't know. 99 cents. I don't know. Depends on where you go, I guess. Alright, let's go hustle some pool. Okay, let's hustle some pool. This is Trick Shot, 1982 by Imagic. Yeah, I guess we'll figure it out. Game on. Okay, that's the arrow key. And then just whack it. Hell yeah, that's a trick shot. And it's supposed to go that way, so I'm gonna go bam. Wait. Why'd it go the... But the arrow... The pointer makes me go backwards? I don't get it. Okay, so my little arrow pointer goes this way, and then the ball goes the other way. So if I go this way, there we go. Alright, I'm learning. Okay, I gotta go the other way. Nope. Alright, here's a trick shot. Then I'm going to give up after this. Bam. There. Okay, there's trick shot. Whatever. You would think the arrow would be the way it's supposed to go, but it goes the opposite way, which is kind of weird. But that's trick shot.